All right, guys, I just want to say thank you for basically putting your email address. I appreciate that, and I promise to deliver nothing but value. That website did say that you're going to be able to make $50 to $100 a day, which is possible. So, basically, I'm using a software that's able to go to a lot of sports books and give me the best odds to be able to place a bet and make a profit. So right here in the right side column, you can see that you're able to make up to $511 and up to $540. It depends on which sports book it's going to go to. So if it goes here, you'll make 540. If it goes on this one, it's going to be $511. Now, here's the thing though, it just depends on what state you're in. For example, I'm in California, so it's going to give me all the websites that's available for California, right? So let's say we take the calculator and let's work with something smaller, but this is definitely scalable. But I don't want you to get scared because of the high numbers. So let's just start off with $100, right? $100, you bet $100 on one side on this game, which is the hockey game, right? Washington Capitals versus San Jose Sharks, and we're betting on the player goals. So you're gonna do $100 on one sports book, $7 on the other. Your total stake, the amount that you're betting is $106. Total payout 158 and a profit of $51. If you guys notice on the website, I did say that you'll be able to make $50 to $100 a day. And this is just one bet. You can make multiple bets a day. You literally just make a bet. It won't take you more than 5 minutes. Sit back. You do whatever it is that you're doing. You're chilling, or watching TV, or you know, you're making money in other business ventures. Cool. But if you're struggling to make your first $1,500 a day, like this is it for you. I'm speaking to those who are doing affiliate marketing, buying solo ads, doing Facebook ads, and all this other crap out there. Like, no, you want to be able to make money consistent, go in and out, and then focus on other things that you want to be able to do. Take a vacation, work on your next project or whatever it is you got going. And these are just small numbers. Let's say you bet like $200, $100 a day, like $100 a day into your bank account, and that's the best feeling in the world. I'm gonna leave a link at the bottom where you could take a free trial of this software. It's called OddsJam. More than welcome to look it up. You could join through somebody else. I really don't care. But if you join through me, I will personally do like a 1 hour consultation with you and teach you exactly how to set it up so you can have successful. All right, guys. Speak to you guys later.